Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I'm Nuradila Zahra. So in this video, I will explain one of the messengers from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. He is the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam. And yeah, this is my test for my lecturer, Sir Sahril. Hello, Sir Sahril. Hopefully you always healthy and happy. Amin. So without further ado, let's get started. The Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam was born from the family of the Prophet Ayub alaihi salam. His father's namely is Ayub alaihi salam and his mother's name is Rahmah. And then the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam is still included in the grandson of Ibrahim alaihi salam descendants. When he was born, his parents gave him the name Bashar. It could also be called Bishar bin Ayub. Bashar in the sense of meaning is a person who has patience. And next, why the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam it's called Zulkifli. At the first, he was called Zulkifli when one day the king Ilyas was looking for a successor. He promised to hand over power to anyone who wants be responsible for carrying out the mandate of the people and those who fear of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. And then the king Ilyas, in front of all his people, the king said, "Which of you is able to fast during the day and worship at night? Also will not be angry. I will hand over this kingdom to him because I'm very old," said the king to his people. Then at that moment, a young man named Bashar, or the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam, stood up and raised his right hand and said, "I can do it," said the Prophet Zulkifli repeatedly. The king then asked his people, but no one answered except the young man is the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam. Finally, Bashar or Zulkifli alaihi salam was elected to replace the king, and his name was changed to Zulkifli, which means one who is able to keep promises. This happened during the Ilyas kingdom. Finally, the king Ilyas gave his throne, and the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam became a very, very fair king. Even he was known as a king who had extraordinary patience and was very good at serving his guests. And Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam led the country of Shams well. He was very concerned with the affairs of his people than the affairs of himself and his family. He kept his promise to fast during the day and worship at night, and was always patient in every situation or in any situation. And the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam is never got angry. Since the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam was a child, he was famous for never lying. What he says he will try to keep, and he's always tried to be honest. And the Prophet Zulkifli salam is a child who has determination, unlike the children in general. His personality was descended from the nature of his father, who has known to be patient and fair. His attitude is so noble. His steadfast patience and persistent figure was so famous among his people. Little Zulkifli alaihi salam with such traits makes the people around him like him personally a lot. In the end, a lot of people who really love the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam. Some versions say that he is actually Ezekiel or Hezekiel, the prophet of the children of the past. And sometimes there is also a version that says the Prophet Zulkifli is Siddhartha Gautama. But in Islam, in our religions, Bashar or sons of Ayub alaihi salam, he is, we know it's called the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam. Some narrations say that the location of the birth of the Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam was in Syria. To be precise, now the area is divided into Jordania, Syria, Palestine, and Lebanon. Prophet Zulkifli alaihi salam preached in Syria and Palestine. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala then also made the Prophet Zulkifli a king and leader of the area. That is why he is also known as the king of Syria, who is famous for his patience. He preaches to teach his people to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and obey his commands. And the Amoriya are one of the names of the nation included in the da'wah of the Prophet Zulkifli. In addition, the Prophet Zulkifli also preached to the Israelites regarding its location. Some say these nations are located in the area of Damascus, Syria, which formerly entered the region of Shams. Amoria are a group of rural people who live in a narrow valley on the Euphrates River in Syria. During his life, the Prophet Zulkifli a.s. became a king who brought his people to prosperity. They all loved his leadership, even though when he was in the lead, someone wanted to knock him out. The Prophet Zulkifli a.s. passed away when he's 75 years old, where in his grave there are several ulama mention his grave in Kifli in Iraq. The miracle of the Prophet Zulkifli is to have extraordinary patience. Zulkifli a.s. never lie. He always being honest and a very fair king, even because his patience has been mentioned in the Quran. That the Prophet Zulkifli a.s. is the chosen servant of Allah SWT, who is very, very patient, very fair, and very, very nice. And he is very pious because of his patience and his patience in welcoming every guest who comes to visit his house. He always welcomes and his guests with pleasure and treats him very well. And that's from me about history of the Prophet Zulkifli a.s. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.